Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of money-saving hacks for everyday life. Whether you're trying to build up your savings, pay off debts, or simply live more frugally, these tips and tricks will help you make the most of your hard-earned money. Say goodbye to financial stress and hello to a brighter future. Get ready to save big and live better. So, let's get started. Number 1. Budgeting made easy. Budgeting is the foundation of financial success, and making it easy can revolutionize your money management. Start by tracking your expenses to gain a clear understanding of where your money goes. Categorize your expenses, such as groceries, housing, transportation, and entertainment, to identify areas where you can cut back. Utilize budgeting apps or spreadsheets to organize and monitor your income and expenses. Set realistic financial goals and allocate funds accordingly. Prioritize saving by automatically transferring a portion of your income into a separate savings account. Consider using the 50/30/20 rule, allocating 50% for essentials, 30% for discretionary spending, and 20% for savings. Adjust your budget as needed and regularly review your progress. Make budgeting a habit. With a well-planned budget, you'll have control over your money and peace of mind. Number 2. Save on groceries. When it comes to saving money on groceries, a little planning can go a long way. Start by creating a shopping list before you hit the store and stick to it religiously. This simple step will prevent impulse purchases and help you stay within your budget. Keep an eye out for discounts, sales, and coupons to maximize your savings. Don't be afraid to try out generic or store brand products, as they often provide similar quality at a lower cost. Consider buying non-perishable items in bulk, as this can lead to significant savings over time. Lastly, try to limit your trips to the grocery store to avoid unnecessary spending. With these strategies, you'll be amazed at how much you can save on your grocery bill while still enjoying delicious and nutritious meals. Number 3. Cut down on dining out. Dining out can be a tempting indulgence, but it can also put a strain on your wallet. To cut down on dining out expenses, start by cooking more meals at home. Meal prepping and planning your weekly menus can save you time and money. If you do eat out, look for affordable local restaurants or lunch specials. Consider packing your lunch for work or school instead of buying it every day. Another way to save is by exploring inexpensive alternatives like food trucks, street vendors, or local markets. Additionally, limit the frequency of eating out and reserve it for special occasions. By making a few adjustments and opting for homemade meals, you'll not only save money, but also have greater control over the quality and nutritional value of your food. Number 4. Slash your utility bills. Did you know that you can save money on your utility bills without sacrificing comfort? Start by using energy-efficient light bulbs, turning off lights when not in use, and unplugging electronics when they're not being used. Lowering your thermostat by a few degrees in the winter and raising it in the summer can also lead to noticeable savings. Number 5. Smart shopping strategies. Smart shopping strategies can help you save money and make the most of your purchases. Before buying anything, take the time to compare prices online and in store to ensure you're getting the best deal. Look for discounts, deals, and coupons that can further reduce the cost. Consider buying used items or borrowing from friends and family for things you don't need to own permanently. Avoid impulse buying by giving yourself a cooling-off period before making non-essential purchases. By implementing these smart shopping strategies, you'll be able to stretch your dollars and make more intentional and cost-effective buying decisions. Number 6. Transportation savings. Transportation expenses can quickly add up, but there are several ways to save money in this area. One of the most effective strategies is carpooling or using public transportation. Sharing rides with others or taking the bus or train can significantly reduce your fuel costs. If possible, consider biking or walking for short distances, not only saving money, but also promoting a healthier lifestyle. Regular vehicle maintenance, such as keeping your tires properly inflated and getting regular oil changes, can improve fuel efficiency and save you money at the pump. Adopting fuel-efficient driving habits, such as avoiding rapid acceleration and maintaining a steady speed, can also lead to noticeable savings. Another option to consider is car-sharing services or renting a vehicle when needed, instead of owning a car and dealing with all associated costs. Number 7. Cut the cable cord. In today's digital age, you can find a plethora of entertainment options without an expensive cable subscription. Streaming services like Netflix or Hulu offer a wide range of movies and TV shows at a fraction of the cost. Alternatively, you can explore free or low-cost options such as YouTube, library rentals, or digital antenna for local channels. Number 8. Slash your monthly bills. It's time to take a closer look at your monthly bills and find ways to slash expenses. Start by negotiating with service providers for lower rates. You'd be surprised how often they're willing to work with you to keep your business. If that doesn't work, consider switching to cheaper alternatives. Shop around for better deals on internet, phone plans, insurance, and even gym memberships. Look for bundle packages or discounts for loyal customers. Another effective strategy is to cut out unnecessary services or subscriptions that you no longer use or need. Evaluate your cable or streaming subscriptions, magazine subscriptions, and any other recurring expenses. Additionally, energy-efficient practices can reduce your utility bills significantly. Make a habit of turning off lights, unplugging electronics, and adjusting your thermostat when not needed. By being proactive and seeking out savings opportunities, you'll have more money in your pocket each month. Number 9. DIY and repurpose. Embracing do-it-yourself, DIY projects and repurposing items can save you money while unleashing your creativity. Instead of buying new, consider tackling home repairs, refurbishing furniture, or engaging in simple craft. DIY allows you to customize items to your preferences and avoid unnecessary expenses. Repurposing items is another fantastic way to save. Get creative and think of new uses for old objects. That old ladder? Turn it into a unique bookshelf. Those mason jars? Transform them into stylish storage containers. The possibilities are endless. Not only will you save money by repurposing, but you'll also reduce waste and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. So put on your creative hat, gather some tools, and let your imagination run wild. DIY and repurposing will not only save you money, but also add a personal touch to your living space. Number 10. Plan for the future. Finally, it's crucial to plan for the future. Planning for the future is crucial for long-term financial stability. Start by building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, aiming for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Explore investment options that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Consider diversifying your portfolio with stocks, bonds, or real estate to grow your wealth over time. Regularly review and adjust your investments as needed. Set specific financial goals, whether it's buying a house, saving for retirement, or paying off debt, and create a plan to achieve them. Monitor your progress and make necessary adjustments along the way. Don't forget to regularly reassess your insurance coverage to ensure adequate protection. By planning for the future, you'll gain peace of mind and set yourself up for financial success down the road. And that wraps up our video on money-saving hacks for everyday life. By implementing these tips, you'll be well on your way to improving your financial situation and reaching your financial goals. Remember, small changes can add up to significant savings over time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving!